Hey everyone, in this video we are revealing the hidden talents of WWE's male superstars. From unexpected skills to impressive hobbies, these wrestlers have more to offer than just in-ring action. Stick around to discover some surprising talents. Let's get started. Number 1. Alberto Del Rio. Alberto Del Rio's talent is martial arts, where he showcases discipline, precision and power. His background in combat sport give him an edge in the ring, blending technique with raw intensity. Number 2. Shawn Michaels. Shawn Michaels' talent is hunting, a skill that requires patience, accuracy and a deep understanding of nature. Shawn often visits deep forests for hunting. Number 3. Gunther. Gunther's talent is chess, mastering the game of strategy and intellect. His ability to think several moves ahead mirrors his calculated and methodical approach inside the ring. Number 4. Baron Corbin. Baron Corbin's talent is knife throwing, a skill that demands precision, control, and nerves of steel. His sharp focus allows him to hit his mark with deadly accuracy. Number 5. Matt Riddle. Matt Riddle's talent is skateboarding, effortlessly pulling off tricks and maneuvers with agility and balance. His love for the sport reflects his laid-back yet fearless personality. Number 6. Austin Theory. Austin Theory's talent is modeling, using his charisma and striking look to command attention. His confidence in front of the camera translates to his presence in the ring. Number 7. Elias. Elias' talent is playing guitar, strumming melodies that range from soothing ballad to hard-hitting rock. His musical skills make him a performer both inside and outside the squad circle. Number 8. R-Truth. R-Truth's talent is rapping, delivering lyrical flows with energy and style. His passion for music adds another layer to his already entertaining personality. Number 9. Otis. Otis' hidden talent is dancing, moving with surprising rhythm and enthusiasm, whether boasting out moves for fun or hyping up a crowd. He brings excitement wherever he goes. Number 10. The Undertaker. The Undertaker's talent is bike riding, tearing through open roads on his custom motorcycles. His love for high-powered machines matches his larger-than-life persona. Number 11. Bobby Lashley. Bobby Lashley's talent is weightlifting, pushing his body to the limit with incredible strength. His dedication to power training makes him one of the most dominant forces in WWE. Number 12. Damian Priest. Damian Priest's talent is drumming, unleashing beats with intensity and rhythm. His passion for percussion fuels his rockstar energy both in and out of the ring. Number 13. Rey Mysterio. Rey Mysterio's talent is mask designing, crafting intricate and meaningful designs. Each mask tells a story symbolizing his heritage and lucha libre legacy. Number 14. Dominic Mysterio. Dominic Mysterio's talent is skateboarding, showcasing balance and skill as he glides effortlessly across ramps. His passion for the sport mirrors his high-flying style in the ring. Number 15. Brock Lesnar. Brock Lesnar's hidden talent is farming, living off the land with hard work and self-sufficiency. His rural lifestyles keep him grounded while fueling his incredible strength. Number 16. John Cena. John Cena's talent is acting, bringing characters to life with his charisma and versatility. His transition from WWE to Hollywood proves his ability to command attention on any stage. Number 17. Roman Reigns. Roman Reigns' talent is fishing, patiently waiting for the perfect catch, whether in the wild or on the water. He enjoys the thrill of reeling in a big one. Number 18. Cody Rhodes. Cody Rhodes' talent is trying, bringing creative ideas to life through detailed sketches. His artistic skills showcase a different side of his storytelling ability. Number 19. Seth Rollins. Seth Rollins' talent is baking, crafting delicious treats with precision and care. Whether in the kitchen or the ring, he takes pride in perfecting his craft. Number 20. Finn Balor. Finn Balor's talent is photography, capturing stunning images with an eye for detail. His passion for visual storytelling extends beyond wrestling, turning moments into art. That's for the hidden talents of WWE male superstars. Which one impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more exciting content. It's just Wrestle Series comparison, and we will see you in the next video.